So dear student, now we are going to discuss about the equation of the motion. You know very well the kinematical equation. Three equation of motions are there. Okay. So how that comes, we are finding today the equation of motion. For what? For the object which is in motion. Means we have to find out equation of motion. But when the object is in motion traveling in a plane. Okay, with the uniform acceleration. Uniform is the constant. For the constant acceleration, we have to find out the equation of motion. Okay, so for that we have to consider the initial velocity of the object. So consider that initial velocity vector u. Why we are taking the vector? Because velocity is the vector quantity. So initially means when the time is the zero. Okay, so initial velocity, this is what this is the initial velocity of the object when the time t equals to 0. Okay, as the particle covers some distance, means when it displaced from that initial position, it reached to some another point, but at that time interval will be changed. Okay, so velocity of that object will also change with respect to time. So at that time we take that velocity which is called as the final velocity, that is the vector v. Okay, this is the final velocity of the object at time t. Okay, means we have initial velocity vector u at the time t equals to 0 and the final velocity, that is vector v, at the time t. Okay, as the acceleration is constant, the average acceleration and instantaneous acceleration both are the equal. Okay, means when acceleration is constant, then instantaneous and average, as last time we will discuss instantaneous and the average acceleration, so both are the same when the acceleration is constant. So by using the definition of acceleration, you know the very well definition of acceleration. Acceleration is what? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Okay, so rate of change of velocity, अब क्या बनेगा हमारा इक्वेशन? फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी डिवाइडेड बाय कितना टाइम इंटरवल है? t. बिकॉज पहले कितना था? 0 था, इसका खोज हम लोग t में. तो क्या इक्वेशन, क्या एक्सप्रेशन बनेगा, क्या डेफिनेशन बनेगी? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन वेक्टर a इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर v माइनस वेक्टर u. ये क्या बनेगा? t माइनस 0 रहेगा. ठीक है, इसलिए हम डायरेक्ट निकालेंगे बस. So it is nothing but the definition of acceleration. So we can rearrange this equation by finding the vector v. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, वेक्टर a into t equals to वेक्टर v minus वेक्टर u. So this is वेक्टर v equals to वेक्टर u plus वेक्टर a. That is vector v equals to vector u plus vector at. This is one of the kinematical equation. That is one of the equation for the motion of the object. Okay, we have to know this equation. Okay. Now as we say, the particle or the object goes from one position to the another position. Here initial velocity u equals to 0 and time t equals to 0, and this is the time t at which finally the object will be reached. Okay, so as the time will be passes, then velocity will be changed and the distance, which is known as the displacement of the particle, this particle covers some distance along the particular direction. So the displacement from time t equals to 0 to the t, मतलब इस टोटल इस इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम इंटरवल में वो कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करता है, सपोज दैट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर s. दिस कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम द एवरेज वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट ड्यूरिंग द टाइम. फॉर द कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन अभी क्या फॉर्मूला बनेगा, v एवरेज का, एवरेज वेलोसिटी कितनी मिलेगी इस डायग्राम में से अगर निकालेंगे तो v एवरेज इज नथिंग बट द एवरेज ऑफ दिस टू, दैट इज वेक्टर u प्लस वेक्टर v डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज द मीन पॉइंट. एवरेज मीन्स द मीन. ओके, सो एवरेज वेलोसिटी फॉर दिस डायग्राम इज व्हाट, वेक्टर v एवरेज इक्वल्स टू वेक्टर u प्लस वेक्टर v डिवाइडेड बाय द 2. Okay, and the displacement is given by vector s equals to velocity, मतलब क्या होता है, rate of change of displacement, that is vector v equals to vector s upon t. So vector s equals to क्या मिलेगा हम लोगों को, that is vector v into t. Okay, so displacement that is vector s equals to vector v into t. But we have the equation of vector v, that is the average. This is what average velocity. So here we can write vector u plus vector v divided by 2 into again the t. Okay, again vector v is given by the formula. Here we are writing vector u as it is. Now vector v is replaced by this formula, this equation, that is vector u plus vector at divided by 2 into t. Okay, so it will be twice vector u divided by again 2, and this is, we can write half 80 into t. So again we can write this as vector u into again this t plus half vector a into t square. So this is the formula for the displacement, that is what, vector s equals to vector u t plus half vector a t square. Okay, this is the vector form, displacement in the vector form. Okay, so this equation of velocity vector v and the displacement vector s can be again resolved into their x and y components. Okay, अभी इस इक्वेशन को और इस इक्वेशन को x और y के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. कैसे लिख सकते हैं, ये इक्वेशन क्या बनेगा बताओ, इन टर्म ऑफ x and in term of y. Only we have to add suffix now. Okay, क्या बनेगा ये, vx. Okay, this is ux plus ax into t. Okay, क्या बन रहा है, सिर्फ we are taking here the suffix. Okay, and this is in the magnitude form on the for y, vy equals to uy plus ay t. Similarly, displacement will be sx equals to ux into t plus half ax into t square. Similarly for sy equals to uyt plus half ay t square. Okay, these are the equation for the velocity along the in term of x and y, and the displacement along again the term of x and y. So the motion along the x direction of the object is completely controlled by x component of velocity. Means motion along x direction जो है वो completely क्या हुआ, controlled by this the velocity along the x direction and the displacement along the x direction. Okay, similarly along the y direction is completely controlled by the y component of the quantities. Means y component quantity are velocity and the displacement. Okay, so this makes very easy to study the motion in 2 dimensions, which gets converted into 2 independent rectilinear motion along the 2 perpendicular direction. Okay, thank you.